Hey guys, Beardicus here, the One Take Wonder. In this video I'm going to be looking at unboxing the 8BitDo M30 Bluetooth controller. Sorry about that. This is a one-take video, so any mistakes just like that one there, you're going to get in this video. I'm not going to cut them out because purely this is one take, and that's what you're going to get. So there is a different version of the M30 out there that is Wi-Fi or wireless 2.4 gigahertz version where you need the USB dongle. So this is the Bluetooth version, but if you prefer something where you can just plug it in via USB or use the 2.4 gigahertz adapter, then that's the one that you'd want to get. So having a look first up, we've got a plastic shield there for the actual controller itself. And there is the controller, but I want to have a look inside first and just see what else we've got in here. So we've got the instruction manual just there, and also the USB-A to USB Type-C. Oh, it's Type-C, that's cool. Awesome. Yep, so Type-C up the top there. That's cool. All right, so you've got your L and R buttons there. You've got D-pad, which is 8 directional, and that feels actually really nice. Yeah, it's nice and smooth. It's not rubberized, it's a plastic, but it's not a really hard plastic either. It feels a little bit soft. It's definitely hard, it just feels like it could be a little bit soft. Huh. All right, so you got your start button in the middle there. You've got a share button and another one there. I think that's for Nintendo Switch, yeah. So it's Switch compatible, Windows, Mac OS, Steam, Android, and Raspberry Pi. So that's pretty cool. You've got your X, Y, and Z button there, A, B, and C, which is, yeah, normal for the Genesis style platform. The X, Y, and Z buttons have a little bit of play on them, a little bit more than I thought that they would, but they feel good to press down, which is nice. Yeah. That feels like a really nice controller, actually. The L and R buttons, they're buttons, they're not triggers or anything like that, and they don't feel too bad either. Excuse me. Yeah. Anyway, that is the 8BitDo M30 Bluetooth gamepad, which is Windows, Mac OS, Raspberry Pi, Switch, and Android compatible. So yeah, really cool. If you like this sort of content, then make sure you subscribe to this channel. This is Beardicus. And if you prefer more polished content, then subscribe over on my TechWizTime channel. That is where my main channel is. This is sort of an offshoot channel where I just shoot these kind of videos because they're one take, and yeah, I like making videos. I like making content for you guys. So yeah, anyway, share this video if you can and like it as well. Leave me a comment down below if you've got one of these yourself and you enjoy it, or if you prefer the 2.4 gigahertz model. And yeah, as always, yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.